Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to scan receipts and auto-categorize expenses with Expensify on iPhone. First, download and open the Expensify app on your iPhone. Then tap on the big plus bottom of the screen. Choose SmartScan and use your camera to take a clear picture of your receipt. Now the SmartScan option is only available in the latest version of iOS. So if you have the latest version of iOS, do the following steps, and if you don't, then you'll have to update your iOS to the latest version. Now once you take a clear picture of your receipt, Expensify will automatically read the merchant date and total, then drop it to your expenses. Go to settings and then go to categories to set up or edit your expenses category like travel, food or office. Which receipts are scanned? Expensify SmartScan AI will auto-categorize them based on your rules and past activities. Safety tip: avoid uploading receipts with sensitive details like a full credit card number. Crop them out before scanning. Quick fix is if SmartScan does not work, check your internet connection, update Expensify in the App Store, and make sure your app has the camera permission on iPhone settings. Subscribe for more quick fixes.